If you searched how to buy shares of Scienjoy Holding Corp, this short guide will walk you through the steps. Scienjoy Holding Corp-A is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SJ, and this is an educational walkthrough, not investment advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker SJ to find Scienjoy Holding Corp-A. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company profile and a live price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the company name and NASDAQ ticker SJ match before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is confirmed. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can review it. For the example shown, check the link in the description to open the eToro page used in this walkthrough.